Hi guys, how are you? This is Javed Ahmed. You are watching Tech TV Earning HFT 999, a YouTube channel. I am here with a unique app. In this app, I will teach you how to create your own certificate. If you have any experience certificate, if you have any other experience and you want your own certificate, then you can make in this app. Very simple, very easy, and very quick. Let's go. I will teach you how to create your own certificate. First we will set a page. After setting a page, then we will add a logo. You can add any sticker like a certificate mono. You can resize it. It's very simple. Just drag and set. You can change color, and if you want to add an image or another thing, you can easily add. After setting this sticker, I will set a date. Friends, it's very simple and very easy. If you want to your own certificate and you lost your certificate and you want to make again, then it's very easy. You can make your own certificate here. I will set a date. After setting a date and size, then I will go to other my information and details which I copy there. You can just select and edit font, size and color and spacing with wording. If you want your own business, then I will suggest you this app. You can start your business like a composer and you will get lots of work from Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer and other online earning apps. You can start your small shop like a composer, visiting card and certificate, another invitations card. After all setting, I will set owner's signature and name. Course instructor. And after this all, I will set signature and name of authority. Friends is very simple app. You can just select and edit all things and drag all stickers and other features are available in this app. Now simply download, is free. After downloading, this certificate is available in my gallery. Look friends, now it's downloaded in my gallery. Friends, is very simple. I will suggest you, if you want to work Fiverr in Upwork and other online earning apps, then you will download this app and use it. It's very simple and very easy to use, and it's free app. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel, Tech TV Earning HFT 999 YouTube channel, and take a good care of yourself, and please look after other people who live near to you. Thank you and goodbye.